We prep the skin with the pre-peeling, where after layer by layer technique, we deliver all the ingredients deep into the skin and then we neutralize it. And after neutralizing, we put on the skin the best, the most powerful regenerative technology in the world, and that's GF20 Exosomes Boost. That's the product which is packed with bovine colostrum exosomes, all the amino acids, anti-inflammatory cytokines that work with inflammation, immunoglobulins, alpha-lactalbumin, beta-lactoglobulin, lactoperoxidase, lysozyme. So all together with growth factors, peptides, and polynucleotides, it makes absolutely a perfect product for your every single aesthetic treatment as an add-on. So the GF20 Exosomes Boost, for me personally, that's the super powerful regenerative support in my practice.